Hello everyone, it's the 20th of November 2019 and it's a really great day. I started the day off at 7 a.m. I woke up and then I went to do my Ring Fit Adventure. It's like a Nintendo game that combines an RPG experience with exercising. It's like a wheel, the thing, and you need to push and pull and things like that, and then you need to jog on the spot. It's really fun. If you can check it out, it's a really great game for the kids, for the older people, and for basically everybody, because the thing is, it's fun, it's exercising, and you don't feel like it's work at all. You know, when you go to exercise, you go to the gym, it feels like kind of work, but this feels like fun. This feels like play, you know. So I think many people will love it. If you want to check it out, I hope I can provide a link below so that you can check it out yourself. So today I'm going to have to go to fix my car. The thing is, what happened was I was really tired. I was thinking negative thoughts. All the accidents I've ever experiences when I'm thinking negative thoughts, and maybe like when somebody bumped me from the back, I was thinking negative thoughts. When I don't know, or when I'm sleepy, maybe when I'm like not concentrating, I was in the car park. I actually hit the wall somehow. I was turning, somehow turn. I don't understand. I really don't understand. I thought there was enough space, but the wall, I hit the wall. The side of the passenger seat on the left scraped against the wall, and it's totally like, it's bad. It's just bad. So afterwards I'm gonna have to go fix it. It's 750 ringgit, I guess. No food for 1 month, I guess, but hey, you know, it's a car. I'm gonna take care of it, and it's just, I just have to fix it. If I don't fix it, it'll just get worse. The thing will rust and stuff like that because the paint is gone. So I just gotta fix it. One more thing I want to talk about is the Grab thing. The Grab has a subscription plan. So what it does is, for 80 ringgit a month, you get 30 rides for 3 ringgit off, and I think 20 Grab food orders for 2 ringgit off. So if you have the 3 ringgit, the 2 ringgit for 30.90, and then there's another 90, I think. Actually, you just save 100 ringgit. If you pay 80 ringgit, you save 100 ringgit for everything that you're supposed to pay for. Meaning, okay, let me just get it straight. You pay 80 ringgit for 180 ringgit value of Grab food and also the Grab rides. So I'm trying it out. I'm just trying it out. It's a subscription based thing, a monthly thing. So I don't know how it's going to go, but I want to just try it out and see how it goes. I love trying things. So I just have to see how it is, and by the end of the month I can report to you to tell you what happened and whether it's worth it or not. And then, oh yeah, there's the Grab thing, which is pay later. What it means is that it accumulates all your whole month of bills, and then you pay one time. Because usually when you order Grab food, you go for car rides, they charge you every single time. But then now they charge you one time the whole amount. 1 month you spend all the stuff, and then they ask you to pay once. I tried signing up, but somehow it says failure. It says error. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe there's some kind of back-end problem on their side. I'll try again and see what happens. But if you cannot use the pay later Grab thing, it's not your problem. I have the problem too, right? So what else can I talk about? It's Wednesday. Yesterday was Apple Music Tuesday. I got all my favorite music in one day. Every Tuesday they have favorite mix that is created. But then the thing is, you have to listen to Apple Music a lot before they actually curate or try to put up a mix for you. So if you're signing up for Apple Music and you don't see the favorite mix, don't panic, because the thing is, you got to listen to it a lot. Then they will only put together a favorite mix for you. I've been listening to Apple Music since day one, and I've been listening to iTunes for as long as I have been loving music. Not really, but you get the picture. So I think that's all for this time. I thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you can love this video. I hope I will bring you more videos every single day. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, God bless, and peace.